All right, cool kids. Welcome to week 3. This is a overview of what we're going to do this week. This is starting with Monday 8:31, going through till Friday 9/4. So we'll be getting into September finally. We're also going to be starting problem solving this week as well, as we kind of wrap up the initial argument notes and everything. So on Monday, we're going to be actually, on Monday, we are continuing what we did on Friday with kind of analyzing longer arguments. At the time of making this video, I haven't made the videos going over the previous arguments from the class before, the assignment before for you guys, but those will be in each of these as well. So you'll see a link to a video of me kind of talking and going over the argument and kind of showing you where things are from the previous one. So you'll have argument 1 here for Monday, argument 2 here for Tuesday, and argument 3 here for Wednesday, in which I actually discuss the argument, kind of go over the correct things that you should be putting it in there, and kind of how it should be structured and everything. On Wednesday, it's going to be our last argument piece we're going to be doing. I'm not going to do a quiz. I thought about doing a quiz on arguments, but I'm not going to be doing that this week. And it's just I want to kind of wait to do that. And we'll honestly, we're not done with arguments at all. We're going to come back and revisit all this to make sure everybody kind of has a good grasp on it. So on Wednesday, the last thing we're going to do arguments is create mind maps, which you will do on a website called Mind Maps. And on this website, and I'll actually have instructions for this on Wednesday of actually how to do everything, but you'll create a free map, and then you'll create a mind map of the argument. And I'm going to actually go over all those instructions on that day. But essentially, here it is. You put your, the conclusion in the middle, and then you'll branch off and create, intermediate conclusion, and then you'll branch off of that and add reasons. So yeah, that's on Wednesday. So you'll be creating a mind map and argument where you're basically kind of doing the same thing where you highlighted everything, where you're just kind of showing the structure of how everything kind of builds towards the main conclusion. On Thursday, we're going to do a problem solving pretest. I must remind you and kind of let you know that it is a timed test. It's an hour and a half. It might not take you an hour and a half. I just wanted to kind of give you plenty of time to do that, and you have 2 attempts if you want to do that. Now, it's only 15 questions, but you'll kind of get an idea what the problem-solving side of this class looks like, the kind of questions that they ask. With that in mind, please understand that I am not grading you on doing basically how you do on the pretest. So this gives me a good idea where everybody's kind of starting. Gives me a chance to see where we kind of have to go. And it also gives you a chance to see how much you'll grow from the beginning of the quarter, for the beginning of the school year until we take the exam. Friday is it's 2 problem-solving problems, and I call this the official preview. While we do a pretest and everything, that pretest is based on some older tests that we took in problem solving or in thinking skills years ago, and they've kind of adapted and changed the testing where we no longer have multiple choice. Everything is you writing out the answers and solving it that way. So I have an example of 2 of those questions, so you can kind of see what those questions are like. Like the one on Thursday, I am just grading you on effort. I want to see how well you do in trying to solve it. If you don't solve it, you don't get the correct answer, not a big deal. I just want to see you get a chance to look at the problems. I want to give you a chance to see what we are working with in this class. So just to give you an idea what these problems look like. This is a single problem. Right there, that's one problem, and that's the second problem. Yes, they each have several questions that go along with it, but in general, this is a single problem for this class. So you can see the amount of information that you have to sort through and solve. Once again, this goes back to the whole idea of it's not really, at this point, I'm not assessing you on your ability to solve it. I'm more assessing you on your ability to see how you attempt the problem and see the kind of ways you work through something that you're unfamiliar with. And that is Friday. And that'll finish off our week. As I said, you're going to have videos throughout the week that go over a lot of the assignments, and these problem-solving problems I will go over on Monday as well, or next Monday, the September 7th, so a week from today. I'll go over these problems as well. As always, if you have any questions, please send a message to me either through Schoology or Remind. I've been trying to keep up with messages and get back to you as soon as possible. And that's it. Hopefully you guys have a great week. Good luck.